rejection, want attention, crave affection, and dream of perfection. If you can dream it, you can do it. It's by Walt Disney, this last quote. And let me also give you a view of that. And you can see I did a little shading with that. And I also will be telling you the supplies. For this, I just use mini sketches, as you can see. I'll show you guys. Come on, wait. Let me also say the supplies. I have this old paint box in which I store it. So I use this mini 10 rupees or 15 rupees sketch, you can say. And that is, and also this color pencil I did for these for color pencil, and that is using this Color Me Grip Faber-Castell. Then I did have highlighters. Let me show you those cute highlighters. These highlighters I used. Next, for this I used a purple color pencil. Don't worry friends, I'll also be posting this on Instagram, and I'll be surrounding it with every single product I used. This is the color pencil I used. Then I did use I used a glitter pen, as you can see. And then what did we use for this? Let's come to the other page. And as you can see, I just used a normal sketch pen. The outline of it is also sketch pen. This is also sketch pen, and this is not brush pen. Okay, then these also sketch pen. And the background, right? For the background, I actually used both brush pens and highlighters for the orange color. Yep. And the green color was already in the brush pen, so then that's why I didn't use. For the quotes, I used this pen right here. The color pencils, color sketches. This is sketch, and for that, like shading, I used this pen I have right here. It's 5 rupees. Then for this, I used the black sketch. That's the one I'm showing here, and also sketch. Okay. The last one is also only with sketch, friends, believe me. And as you can see, I sketched with the pencil first, these like sort of things, and then I did. For the glance, let me tell you about the glance. It's for 2020 at a glance. These are last 6 months because I've started it right now only. So I had a vision for it. So this July, August, September, October, November, December. And orange, all of them were sketches, red and orange and yellow and all that stuff. Orange, as you can see. Yellow, I used a sketch and a pencil. That is green, blue and purple, that's all stuff. And I also used the same black sketch to do. One thing you can do is a tip here. And first, draw it with a pencil or write it with a pencil, and then you can go over it with a sketch. That's good. And I used a pencil and a normal scale, as you can see, to do this. And this is a red and this is a black sketch. Now coming to the Catlender, I just followed a tutorial Doodles by Sarah. I am a big fan of her, so I just followed a tutorial. And for these oranges, some of the oranges I did with this old watercolor set from Camlin I have here. These are very dirty, please pardon me, okay? For some I used highlighter. That's why you may see some may be attractive, some may not. This one I actually used sketch, but it seems like it may drip the paper, so that's why I started using watercolors. And as you can see, the simple sketch again. And you can actually see I have a mistake right here, right? It's because I wrote an extra, I drew an extra square, and I just corrected it with, I corrected it with the correction pen. So you can do anything you want. That's the beauty of this bullet journaling, okay? So I wrote all the dates. This is fully done with black sketch pen only, okay? Now coming to the mood tracker, it's for July. Since I had the cat, I wanted to make yarn balls, okay? Yarn balls there. So these are this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And I like personally what to do is, I told you mood tracker. So today is July 1, but actually I'll be posting this on July 2. So you gotta know that. So what I'm doing is, I felt very happy, and so I'll color it with pink. And voila, I am happy today. And you can track that for the rest of the month. And now today I also read a book. The book was about incredible facts of encyclopedia. I read about marsupials. And so what I'm going to do is, let me have a look at the key first. If it's completed, I did do the completed sign. So what about we do it with a good pen. Let's use this color for, okay? So I'm reading the book every day, and I woke up early so that I could have the idea of it. So let's color this. I read a book and I woke up early. So this is finished for today. Then we'll be doing that same thing again every single day. So do not forget that. Next, the goals for July. I'll be having this as a view full throughout July. And now you may ask this, the YouTube ideas and tracker for July. I'll just show you what is this in a second. I'll write a one idea and I'll show you. So let's do it. So friends, as you can see, I have the overview right here. This is bullet journaling, and July 2 I'll be posting that. I did write it in future. Just wanted to show you, and I'll be posting that on July 2, right? So that's idea. Now coming to the arts and craft idea. Let me write it on the spot. So now first I'm going to be doing the artsy thing, or let's do the crafty thing. Which one should we do? Let me think. I'm thinking about the artsy thing. So what I need to do is doodle cards, happy birthday cards. It's because for my brother, friends. So now I have it. That is idea, so I can refer it. And now coming to the sleep tracker. And friends, all these borders and dividers were done by me with my own idea. So it's my own creativity after all, and you can use it. But you should tag me, and you can also have a look at this in my Instagram handle, which is Bullet Journaling by Priya. Make sure you follow that for more updates on bullet journaling. And I am going to be starting a separate channel for bullet journaling. Also be sure to check that. Now, coming back here for the sleep tracker, right? So, this is actually one, right? The first date, and I had 8 hours of sleep. So, let's do it. Now, what I'm going to be doing, I'm going to be taking this gel pen and I'll track it here. And the next day, I may be sleeping for 9 hours, maybe for 7 hours. And after that, I'll do that until 31. And then I can have an overview of how much have I slept. Is it healthy or is it not healthy? So that. So, for this week 27, I have Wednesday, which is to wake up, attend classes, fill videos, eat and sleep. Now, I did those, right? So, let me fill those. Now coming back to Friday, the Thursday. Wake up, attend first class, revise social, attend second class, eat breakfast. This is because I filmed the extra part today, right? So now, this is keep your eyes on the stars and your feet on the ground. Theodore Roosevelt. So that's a quote I have here, and you can have anything you want. And this is the note section. This is Sunday, this is Saturday, this is Friday, and Thursday, and Wednesday. And here I have like a little scroll. It's not the best, but I love to do it since I was 9. So that's what I wanted to do. This is to drink more water because I need to drink more water, friends. I just want to like a 3 bottle of water. Like if it's something like 1 liter, I need to drink 3 liters at least. So I just often see this, and then it reminds me to drink more water. And as you can see, I also listed the date here, so it could be easy for me. And after that, I'll be doing it for the next week only, friends. It's going to be the same idea and the prompt. So make sure to follow my Instagram so that you can see it weekly. So friends, I hope you like this video. And friends, do not forget that you can just start it with a simple notebook or rough notebook. And it can even have lines, without lines, dotted lines. It's yours, okay? It's yours personalized. As you can see, I did this. So I hope you like this video, friends, and please be sure to click that subscribe button and also go and see my new channel. I will link my new channel in the description below, because there's going to be more tips on full of bullet journaling, okay? It's going to be a separate channel dedicated to bullet journaling, in short form BUJO. Like the first, it's like an acronym, BU and JO. That's what it is. So I hope you like this video, friends. And if you have any doubts, you can comment down below and ask me, and I'll be replying it to you guys. Bye.